Hello, Chris with Tutcove.com, and I got a tutorial here. I'm going to teach you how to make a little navbar with PHP for your static website. For those of you who don't know, a static website is basically an HTML website, straight up HTML, CSS code, no CMS bullshit in it, it's all code. So the downside of these types of websites are with your links. So let's say you have a static website with about 100 different pages on it, and by different pages I mean like an about us, a contact us, then you go to here, so that's what I mean by a different page. Let's say you have hundreds of those, and let's say on one of those pages you want to change a link on the nav bar. If you change it on just that page, it's only going to show up on just that page. If that makes sense, you would have to change the link on the nav bar on every single page. So let's say you have 100 pages, you're going to have to go through every single damn page and change every single link on the nav bar. But luckily, with PHP, you can create one file, and every page will refer to that file for the nav bar. If it still doesn't make sense to you, basically, you want to do this if you have a static website, and I'll show you how. Before we get started, notice real quickly how the extension of our index page is PHP, and every single other page is PHP as well. Keep a note in mind, you do need PHP installed and enabled on your server for this to work, and all your extensions have to be .php or else it won't work. So I did this in Dreamweaver, and here is my website, Luongo Network, old website of mine, and you'll see right here at the top that I got a navigation.php file here. So if you don't know PHP, it's cool. We're not really using PHP here. This is all going to be HTML, and you're going to use a single PHP tag to embed right here. So let's start off by creating a new document, and you're going to want to call it nav.php. And you see I got nav.php right here open up already. And as you can see, this is all HTML right here, and it's a basic ordered list. And this is my navigation bar. You'll see my home, about us, contact, tutorials, just like right here. That's my navigation bar. And you're going to want to save this as nav.php. So if you don't know how to create a nav bar with HTML, go see a tutorial for that. And then once you know how to do it, come here, plop in your nav barcode in HTML, and save this file as nav.php. So go back to your index, and you're going to want to insert the nav barcode under your index. And after this, make sure every page you create has the same body as this one with the nav code in it. So let's go to the code of the index page and look at the design real quick, figure out where you want your nav bar. That's where I want mine. Go to the code, and you'll see this little PHP code I have here. And this is the PHP opening tag right there. Take a look at that. So you're going to want to type that in, and then type in include. Then come over here, and this little part in between the little single quotes, you want to navigate to your nav.php file. And mine is in the folder include/nav.php, and then close your PHP tag right there. So this is the only PHP you're going to need right there. So look at that right there. Put that right where you want your nav bar. Save the page, and in Dreamweaver you might see this little icon right here that just means, hey, there's PHP code right there. So save that page as index.php. Make sure you save nav.php, and then you want to upload it to your website, and that's how it works, just like this. And you will have this very easy to update nav bar. So if you ever want to change a link in your nav bar, look at that. You just go to your nav and resources. I want to change that to email me. Save it, upload it, and then it will change on here to email me on every single page. Very simple to do, easy enough, and it doesn't get much easier than that. And you'll see right here, I did this real quick. I went to my includes nav.php. I'll show you the nav.php file, and see, there it is. See, this is very simple. It's just HTML with a PHP extension. You're not really having to use PHP, and it helps you greatly. So thanks for watching the tutorial, guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me or post on the YouTube video. Alright, thanks.